Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and simple tutorial on how to change the archive color in Outlook on your PC following the latest update. This feature allows you to personalize your workspace and make it visually appealing. Let's get started. First, open Outlook from your browser. If you're already logged in, you'll land directly on your inbox or dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if this is your first time using the updated version. Next, look at the top left corner of the page. You'll see three horizontal lines. This is often referred to as the menu icon. Click on it to expand the navigation panel. This step will reveal additional options, including folders like Inbox, Sent, and Archive. Now locate the archive folder in the list. Once you find it, hover your cursor over it and notice three dots appearing next to it. These dots represent the settings menu for the archive folder. Click on them to open a drop-down menu. From this drop-down, select Change Color. This option allows you to customize the appearance of your archive folder by choosing a color that suits your preference or helps you organize your workspace better. Finally, pick a color from the palette that appears. You'll have a variety of hues to choose from. Whether you want something vibrant or subtle is entirely up to you. Once selected, the archive folder will instantly update with your chosen color. And that's it. You've successfully changed the archive color in Outlook on your PC. This small tweak can make a big difference in how you interact with your emails, helping you stay organized and adding a touch of personality to your inbox. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from learning this simple yet effective trick. Thanks for tuning in, and happy customizing.